Hello. Now lesson addition and number block. Let's go. 17. I go to plus. 14. I go to equal. 31. 16. I go to plus. 19. I go to equal. 35. Wow. It look have a flower. Look it look happy and beautiful. 12. I go to plus. 18. I go to equal. 30. 9. I go to plus. 5. I go to equal. 14. 13. I go to plus. 3. I go to equal. 16. 4. I go to plus. 20. I go to equal. 24. 18. I go to plus. 13. I go to equal. 31. 4. I go to plus. 15. I go to equal. 19. 20. I go to plus. 10. I go to equal. 30. 12. I go to plus. 19. I go to equal. 31. 7. I go to plus. 19. I go to equal. 26. It look gentlemen. I go to plus. 15. I go to equal. 18. 16. I go to plus.
Tụ lại cho binh mày tụi mày thả nó
I go to equal. 4. I go to plus. 17. I go to equal. 21. 19. I go to plus. 20. I go to equal. 39. This is a big number. Wow. And I am happy. 18. I go to plus. 8. I go to equal. 26. 6. I go to plus. 4. I go to equal. 10. 3. I go to plus. 1. I go to equal. 4. Vậy thì sâu ý gì? 19.
I go to plus.
4.
I go to equal.
23. 15.
I go to plus.
20.
I go to equal.
35. Oh, flower look beautiful. 10.
I go to plus.
13.
I go to equal.
23. 6.
I go to plus.
10.
I go to equal.
16. 17.
I go to plus.
14.
I go to equal.
31. 10.
I go to plus.
4.
I go to equal.
14. 13.
I go to plus.
12.
I go to equal.
25. 11.
I go to plus.
15.
I go to equal.
26. 17.
I go to plus.
3.
I go to equal.
20. 3.
I go to plus.
4.
I go to equal.
7. Wow, it look a beautiful color, and it look happy. 1.
I go to plus.
4.
I go to equal.
5. So easy. 10.
I go to plus.
14.
I go to equal.
24. 12.
I go to plus.
14.
I go to equal.
26. Yeah, lesson in the end. Goodbye, see you again next lesson.